I'm Olivia from AP Physics, and I'm going to be teaching you how to do a helicopter problem. So the question asked is, after 25 seconds, how far apart is the helicopter from the package? And the information we're given is that there's a helicopter carrying a package that's dangling from a rope that's 15 meters long. And the helicopter is accelerating upwards at an acceleration of 10 meters per second squared, and once the helicopter reaches a velocity of 12 meters per second, the package is dropped. So, first off, we have to find out how far up does the helicopter go. And for that, we're going to use an acceleration equation that has our distance in it, and that's the initial time, or the initial velocity, times RT, plus 1/2 the acceleration times t squared. So this is going to tell us how far up the helicopter is going at this acceleration. So we're trying to figure out our x. We have a velocity of 12, our initial velocity given from the problem. The time is 25 seconds. And 1/2 times the acceleration, which is 10. Again, times by our time squared. And now I already did the pre-calculations here, and I got for our distance to be 3,425 meters. That's how far the helicopter went up. So while this package is being dropped, the helicopter is still moving up, and it's gotten 3,425 meters. Now we need to know how far the package is going to drop. To figure this out, we're going to use the same equation, but it's a free fall equation now. So we don't have an acceleration, but we have a g. G is the value of gravity, which we know to be 9.8. Also, if you notice, I put a negative sign here because it's a package dropping. It's a free fall question. There's a negative sign in this equation. So when we write it out, we'll use pretty much the same numbers. But instead of our acceleration, we're going to have g, which is 9.8. And my calculations came out to be a negative 2,762.5 meters. This is how far the package dropped, so of course it's going to be a negative. Because if it was turned out to be a positive, the package was still going up, because this is the path the package is going to follow when it's dropped from the helicopter. So it's a negative because the package is dropping. The package is down here now. So we're going to, although this seems funny, although this is a negative number, we're going to add these two numbers together because this is how far it's going up. This is how far the package is dropping. We have to add them together. Also, we can't forget that the rope is also 15 meters long, so we have to take that into account. So we'll add that again to the total. And the total I got was 6,202.5 meters. So after 25 seconds, the distance between the helicopter and the package comes out to be 6,202.5 meters. And that is how you do a helicopter problem.